These Swedish pancakes, for one, are one of the first recipes my kids learned to make for themselves. They are so easy. They come together in minutes. So today we're gonna make them, and I'm gonna share with you one of my new favorite kitchen tools. You probably already have all the ingredients on hand you need for these. So we're gonna start with just 1 egg. Now this recipe makes 2 Swedish pancakes. So it's a perfect amount for one person. If you're feeding more, you can easily double, triple, quadruple this recipe. And then we're gonna add in a 1/4 cup of milk. I'm just using, I think I had 1% in my refrigerator. Use what you've got on hand. We'll whisk that together. We're gonna add in 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, and you know how I like to measure my vanilla with my heart. Can't ever have too much vanilla. And then we have 1 teaspoon of melted butter and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Now, if you needed to make this gluten-free, you could probably use, I haven't tried it, but your cup for cup gluten-free flour. And then we'll just mix all of that together. Now, you're gonna have a few little lumps in there. That's perfectly okay. So you see, I am not much of a breakfast eater. So my husband and my children learned really quick, if they wanted a hot breakfast in the morning, they're gonna have to make it themselves. So one of their favorite things to make were these Swedish pancakes, or at our house, we call them yellow pancakes. All right, so to cook our Swedish pancakes, I'm gonna use this 8-inch nonstick pan. You could use a cast iron pan, whatever you have. I'm gonna put just a little bit of butter in it. You don't need to, especially if your pan's nonstick, but I like that little extra flavor that the butter gives the pancake. So we're gonna take it over our stove top, and I'll show you how I cook them. So after the butter melts in the pan, lift the pan off of the heat. Pour in 1/2 of the butter, and then tilt the pan so that the batter covers the bottom of the pan. Put it back on the heat and let it cook until the edges get set and it's lightly golden brown on the bottom. Take a spatula, run it around the edge to loosen it, and then flip. It's only going to need about 30 seconds on the second side. All right, so we are ready to dress up our Swedish pancakes. Now, traditionally, they are served with lingonberry jam, but at our house, we love to use fresh squeezed lemon juice, powdered sugar, and fresh sliced berries. You can put anything you like on a maple syrup, whatever your favorite, strawberry jam, favorite thing. So first of all, for the lemon juice, this is my little lemon squeezer. I've used one of my favorite tools for years. I put the lemon in like this. Goes like this. Yeah, it took me about 30 years to figure that one out. So, but first I'm gonna show you my other new favorite kitchen tool, and it is this little strawberry slicer. I got it on Amazon. I'm gonna link to it down below. So fun. You can slice strawberries with it, bananas, hard-boiled eggs. You're gonna wanna slice everything with it because it's so much fun. You just lay it on top of your berry and slice, just like that, and then boom. Your berries are sliced, and it's so great because even the kids can use it. So super fun. Get yourself one. All right, now for our pancakes. I've got my 2 pancakes here. Now at our house, we usually just eat them open face like this, but I'll show you more traditionally. They're kind of folded into thirds, so I will show you how to do that. But first we're gonna take our lemon juice, and I just like to squeeze a little bit of lemon juice over the inside of both of them. Then we're just gonna fold, and I just fold third, so it makes a little envelope, kind of like they fold a crepe. Now you may be wondering, what is the difference between a Swedish pancake and a crepe? Well, the difference is a Swedish pancake, it's mainly the egg to milk ratio, and a Swedish pancake is a little bit thicker and it's a little bit eggier, a little fluffier than a crepe, but basically the same ingredients. Now we're going to add on to it our fresh sliced strawberries, and then some powdered sugar. Now, you can serve these Swedish pancakes for breakfast, you can serve them for dinner, you can even serve them for dessert by adding some ice cream and chocolate syrup on them, but definitely a Wilkes family favorite. All right, so now they are just ready to enjoy. All right, so I hope your family enjoys these Swedish pancakes just as much as our family does. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today, and I'll see you in the next video.